Hello, and welcome to the season finale of Hell's Kitchen, It Looks Good Grill. Today, we have a special episode where we're going to explore traditional foods from different cultures. We have 3 amazing guests with us, representing a different culture. We're going to learn about their foods and maybe even swap some recipes. Let's start with our first guest, representing Turkey. Can you tell us about yourself and explain your traditional dish?
Of course. So my name is Dogukan, and I've been a part of the SCI community for 4 years now. And I'm originally from Turkey, Istanbul, and what I wanted to bring today is a street food called lahmacun. And it looks like this. It looks like a Turkish pizza, but it tastes nothing alike.
I was surprised. Yeah, well, it looks really good. Can you tell us more about the dish? Like, how did you prepare it?
Yeah, so it's basically like a ground beef on a very thin, crispy crust, and then you have some like Mediterranean flavors.
Yeah.
It's often is spicy, but you can have like both options, like not spicy and spicy. So it tastes really good.
What about these toppings on the side?
Oh yeah, so if you like, if you like any of these, you can just put it. You can go like this. It's really up to you.
Have you ever shared this with your group of friends?
Oh yeah, I actually, I think like the more we share food, especially recipes, the more we realize like how actually like the same or like similar every culture is. It's fascinating to me how like the same ingredients make up like very unique tastes, basically.
That sounds. Well, it looks really delicious. Thank you for sharing your recipe.
Yeah,
now let's move on to our second guest, representing Chinese cuisine. Don't forget to take your food.
Oh shit! Sorry.
Okay, hello. So I'm introducing the food from the highland of my hometown. So in Chinese, this name is called Kao Lao Lao. One interesting translation is called depends on your grandmother. This dish consists of the old noodles, a plant grown from the highland. This is what my ancestor used to eat a long time ago, where the rice and wheat is not common. So why I choose this dish is because I found this structure is very like when we sleep print.
Yeah.
The inner structure in here. That's the reason.
Oh, well, it looks really good. Can you tell us how you prepare it?
Yeah, so the chef basically used the dough, which is made by the oat flour. So they push it on the desk and use his finger to flip it.
Yeah.
So it's genuinely needs very high-end handcraft skills. And believe me, the chef taught me the whole morning, but I cannot learn that.
Yeah.
So in my family, there's only my grandmother could do that. I think that's the name's coming.
Yeah. Have you ever modified or adapted the dish in any way to suit your personal tastes? Or to make it more accessible to other people?
I don't think so. Yeah. Like I said, I can't do that. But I guess this food is because it's prepared by every family in my hometown. So each body will have their own ingredients for their taste. But in my view, my grandmother do the best.
Yeah. Well, thank you for sharing your recipe. Finally, let's meet our third and final guest, Tunde.
I'll bring my food.
No problem. Hi, my name's Tunde. Today we have
mac and cheese?
Mac and cheese, yeah.
Damn, well, I know that mac and cheese is very popular and relatively straightforward in making, but are there any
So you might think.
Oh, let me finish.
There's a few tips I have for you guys today. A few tips.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if you noticed, but mac is short for macaroni.
Yeah.
And that's where we want you to start today, folks. We're going to start with boiling the macaroni. These are some never-before-seen tips. We're going to start with boiling the macaroni and then add the secret ingredient. Can you guess?
What, water?
Good guess. It's actually going to be cheese, ladies and gentlemen. And then that's how you get mac and cheese.
There you go. Well, amazing. Thank you for sharing your recipe. Now, can you tell me, do you prefer fresh cheese or powdered cheese?
No, there's actually a great debate about this right now. I'm so glad you brought this up. Yeah. At the moment, I prefer melted cheese.
Melted? Oh.
But that's just me. I know that's really controversial these days, especially in the communities.
And I just want to know, how does this differ from like Kraft mac and cheese?
Putting me on the spot. There's a good chance it actually might be exactly Kraft mac and cheese, but the difference is I made it, ladies and gentlemen, and you can too.
There you go. Well, amazing. Thank you for sharing your recipe. Now, let's do something fun. Since we have 3 different dishes from 3 different cultures, let's swap some food and taste each other's dishes.
Please.
What do you say?
Hey, John, you want to come to taste one?
Right.
John,
does anyone want to come?
with us?
Please, some of this wonderful mac and cheese. Yeah,
You can take my-
everyone in
you
the
can take
audience,
this
please.
one.
You in the back
Hi, William.
with the kids.
You need to separate it first. Let me kind of
Have to eat some mac and cheese. It has to be you.
All right. While everybody's here, here we go. Presentations for you.
For me.
For participating.
You guys come.
Wow.
Here you
Yeah,
go.
come.
Thank you for participating.
You guys join
Wow,
us.
we're award winners. Wow, congratulations. Congratulations.
Oh, yeah, thank you so much.
Well,
And
congratulations.
thank you so much, everybody. That is it for our
Amazing.
episode. Thank you so much. Have a good night. Enjoy the rest of the night.
Thank you.